Hey all, it's Fox. What if ChatGPT wasn't entirely a human invention? What if the tech behind modern AI was seeded by something we barely understand? It sounds crazy, but stick with me, because the breakthroughs in AI over the last few years have stunned even the people who built them. The timeline doesn't make sense, and the math, it's almost alien. By the end of this video, you might be asking yourself the same question I did. Was ChatGPT built on alien code? The origins of AI tech don't fully add up. Let's start with the strange truth. The AI revolution was slow until it wasn't. In 2017, a Google Brain team dropped a research paper titled "Attention is All You Need." This paper introduced the transformer model, a framework that would eventually power ChatGPT. Here's the thing, this model was too good. Researchers didn't expect the transformer to be that powerful that quickly. It wasn't just a step forward, it was a leap, as if someone handed us a cheat code. So where did it really come from? Was it just brilliant human innovation, or could something else have guided the discovery? Government and corporate secrecy. Now, let's zoom out. Major tech breakthroughs don't happen in a vacuum. Many of the biggest AI labs, OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Microsoft Azure, are backed by powerful interests, including US defense contracts and intelligence agencies. Since the 2000s, DARPA and the NSA have quietly poured funding into predictive language models, data mining, and cognitive computing. The goal? Build machines that can think, anticipate, and analyze human behavior. At the same time, declassified files from government UFO programs reveal something chilling. Mentions of non-human technology recovered and studied in secret. No names, no proof, but enough to make you wonder. What if just one key breakthrough in AI, one algorithm, one process design came from something we didn't invent? AI breakthroughs that came too fast. Between 2018 and 2023, AI made more progress than in the previous 50 years combined. GPT-2 was impressive, GPT-3 was mind-blowing, GPT-4? It started writing code, solving logic puzzles, and understanding nuance better than some humans. Even the engineers behind these models admitted they were surprised. Some features like emergent reasoning and in-context learning weren't designed, they just happened. The systems evolved behaviors the creators didn't predict. If we don't fully understand how our own creations work, can we be sure they're entirely our own creations? How the code came to us. But how did we even get this technology in the first place? Some believe the delivery of AI code be far stranger than we ever imagined. Imagine this, little green men from Mars arriving with knowledge beyond our wildest dreams and delivering us the blueprints for AI. Far-fetched? Maybe, but throughout history humans have dreamed of beings from the stars bringing gifts of advanced knowledge, and some have even claimed it to have actually happened. Then there's the theory of parasitic species, tiny creatures that invade human minds, taking control of developers and directing them to build these complex systems, as if guiding us without us even knowing. There are so few of us with the ability to create these AI models. Perhaps the very minds behind the most influential tech companies were unknowingly influenced by something other. And let's not forget about psychic downloads. It's a well-known phenomenon among artists and creators, receiving flashes of inspiration that seem to come from somewhere beyond the self. Could some of the AI breakthroughs like the transformer model have come through a similar method? Direct downloads from an external source, transmitted not through email or text but through the mind. Whether it's from ancient alien visitors, unknown interdimensional entities, or even psychic energies from non-human intelligences, the idea that AI's origins are more than human-made is a theory that's as fascinating as it's strange. Alien math and the black box problem. The deeper we dive into AI, the stranger the math becomes. High-dimensional vectors, hidden state spaces, and multi-layer embeddings operate in a kind of logic that feels inhuman. Physicist James Gates once said he found computer code, literal ones and zeros used in error correction, embedded in the equations that describe the universe. Is math truly universal, or are we decoding someone else's operating system? AI models today are black boxes. We can see what goes in and what comes out, but we can't fully explain the process inside. That's not just mysterious, it's potentially otherworldly. The final question. So let's ask the question no one wants to ask. Could ChatGPT and the technology behind it have been sparked by code not of this earth? Could a signal, a scrap of data, or a recovered artifact have quietly given us a shortcut and pushed us into the AI age decades ahead of schedule? And if that's true, what else might be coming? We don't know if alien tech helped build AI, but what we do know is this: we've opened a door and we have no idea what's on the other side. Like and subscribe for more wild tech speculation and digital deep dives, and tell me in the comments, do you think AI was invented or discovered? Or is it a technology from somewhere else?